Beyond the bustling towns of Sonoma County lies a landscape shaped by vineyards, winding creeks, and quiet country roads. Our journey today follows a route through Dry Creek and Alexander Valleys, where every mile reveals another layer of Northern California's wine country, best experienced from the seat of a bicycle. Adventure usually finds us on the road, exploring America by RV and sharing the incredible places we discover along the way, especially by bicycle. From the towering peaks of Yosemite and Sequoia National Park and the desert roads of Joshua Tree, we've found unforgettable rides across the West. But some of our favorite cycling adventures begin much closer to home. This series celebrates the rides that remind us why we live here. Join us as we find the best road and gravel rides in Northern California and beyond, one route at a time. Welcome to Sterling Adventures, the Rides episodes.
Good morning from beautiful Windsor, California. This great ride highlights the Dry Creek and Alexander Valley areas of Sonoma County. We're starting here in Windsor at Esposti Park. It's a great place to start. Lots of parking, bathrooms, great place for a picnic afterwards. It's going to go out west towards West Dry Creek, up north, cutting over. There's a couple of great stops. There's the Dry Creek store, great for sandwiches and coffee and different things like that. Cutting over to Alexander Valley, you'll find Jimtown. So we'll have Jimtown. There's coffee there as well. Then we'll go along 128 through Chalk Hill back here to Windsor. It's about 38 miles and something like 1,600 feet of climbing, something like that. It's a beautiful day in Sonoma County. It's May, it's spring. All of the vines are bursting with color. It's going to be a beautiful, great ride.
We're sharing this journey with our cycling club, Amici di Bici. For more than 15 years, we've explored roads like these together, building friendships and memories one ride at a time. First stop, we are at the Dry Creek General Store here in Hillsburg, I guess it is. It's a great place to stop for coffee, sandwiches, all kinds of things. They even have a bar. This place is old and historic, and it's just a cool place to stop on the road ride. So I better get going. Those guys already left. Our next stop is Jimtown in Geyserville.
Well, we're here at the Jimtown store. We've got probably 10 or 14 miles left to get back. We're going through Alexander Valley. Beautiful, beautiful vineyards. Very popular cyclist spot right here at the Jimtown store. New owners, they specialize in dim sum, so it's something a little bit different. Super cyclist friendly. They've got a water spigot, ice cold water for you, ready to go. So we're going to take off in a few minutes and go through Alexander Valley 128, go up Chalk Hill, and then end up back at Esposti Park.
This is one of our favorite rides in Sonoma County, and it's a route we've come back to again and again over the years. Winding through Dry Creek and Alexander Valleys, it showcases some of the most spectacular vineyard scenery anywhere in the county, with quiet country roads and beautiful views around nearly every corner. At 38 miles and approximately 1,300 feet of climbing, it's an easy to moderate ride that's well suited for the average cyclist. Along the way, you'll find two of our favorite stops, the Dry Creek General Store and Jimtown Store, both perfect for grabbing coffee, lunch, water, or a quick snack before continuing on. We like to begin and end at Esposti Park, where there's plenty of parking and convenient restroom facilities, making it an ideal starting point for the day. Like much of Sonoma County, the road surfaces can be a bit rough in places, but for us it's a small trade-off. The incredible scenery, peaceful roads, and unforgettable wine country landscapes make this a ride we'll keep coming back to for years to come.